Hi everyone! Want your clips to hit perfectly on beat without editing for hours? Today I'll show you how to use auto sync your videos to trending music on TikTok super fast and easy. And here's how to do it. First, open the TikTok and tap the plus icon to start a new post. Then here, tap upload. Then select the photos or video clips you want to use. Then, once added, TikTok will automatically lines up to your clips to the beat of your chosen sound. Then to change the sound, just tap the music icon above. Then the TikTok adjusts the video timing automatically, no manual editing needed. Here you can still reorder clips or trim them slightly to perfect the flow. And that's how you auto sync your videos to a trending music in TikTok. Super clean and on beats in seconds. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more editing hacks. Thanks for watching.